If you're hungry, you may want to drive to Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis Interstate closed after semi crashes and spills Alfredo sauce. This is very disrespectful to the family. Days after a semi truck spilled over 150,000 tomatoes in California interstate. Wow. Similar separate incident left part of a Tennessee interstate covered in another topic, Alfredo sauce. The interstate happened on interstate. The incident that happened on Interstate 55. Okay, I'm not from Tennessee. Let's see here. That the truck hit a retaining wall and spilled a trailer's worth of Alfredo sauce in the northbound lanes. Man, I'm starting to get hungry this morning. One woman went to the hospital with non-critical injuries. I sure hope she's okay. Some southbound lanes were closed. First tomatoes, now Alfredo. I think I know what happened here. The truck driver was using unstable Arch Linux for his GPS, and he got confused. And see, this is what happens when you turn on the AUR and Arch Linux. You start spilling stuff everywhere.